Filmmaking in 2026 has changed completely. You can now create cinematic movies with AI, keep characters consistent, and achieve visuals that genuinely feel Hollywood level. What used to take a full crew and expensive gear can now be done from a single interface, and that shift is happening faster than most people realize. Higgsfield AI recently introduced a new feature that has everyone paying attention. It's called Cinema Studio 1.5. For the first time, you can control lighting, aspect ratio, and camera settings the same way a real cinematographer would, which completely changes how AI-generated films are created. Let's first watch a short trailer I created from a single image using Cinema Studio.
This place remembers more than it should. You're not here to stop me.
After that, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process I used to create that trailer. When you click the link I've left in the video description and sign up, you'll land on the Higsfield interface. Higsfield has added several powerful tools recently, but for this video, we're focusing specifically on Cinema Studio. When you scroll down, you'll see a collection of impressive movies generated with this tool. To get started, head to the top menu and click on Cinema Studio. This is the interface where you control everything. Cinema Studio allows you to create both images and videos, but we'll start with image generation. I'm pasting in a simple prompt of a man holding a lamp inside a cave. From here, you can choose how many images you want per generation, but I'll leave it at 1 for this example. Next, set the aspect ratio. For YouTube videos, I'll select 16:9. Then you can increase the resolution all the way up to 4K, which only costs 4 credits. Below that is where the real magic happens, the camera settings. Let's start by selecting a camera type. You can swipe up and down to browse through the options. I'll go with the Arriflex 16 SR. For the lens, we'll choose an Arri Signature Prime. Then for the focal length, I'll select 8mm. Finally, set the aperture. I'll go with f4 and hit generate. While the image is generating, I'll reuse the exact same prompt, but switch to a different camera setup. These are the new camera settings, and I'll generate again. Now, the results are ready. Think of this as the same scene shot, using 2 completely different cameras. When we click on the first image, you can see the camera type used along with a focal length of 50mm and an aperture of f1.4. That's why the background around him appears blurry. Here's the second image, which also looks great, and you can see the different camera type used to achieve this result. If you want your character to remain consistent and appear in different scenes from different camera angles, this is now possible with Cinema Studio. Simply click here and select multi-shot, then hit generate. Just like that, starting from a single image, you get a full set of shots with different camera angles laid out like a complete storyboard. From here, select the images you want to use and click Upscale. Each selected image will be upscaled individually, turning every shot into a high-quality scene that's ready to be used in your video. To start converting images into videos, hover over an image and click Animate. Then choose Add as first frame. You can also add another image as the last frame if you want a defined start and end. After that, add a short motion prompt to guide the animation. From here, choose your camera movement based on the shot you want. For the opening scene, I'll select Zoom Out. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. For the duration, you can choose anywhere between 5 and 10 seconds. Keep audio turned on and decide whether you want the animation in slow motion. Then set how many videos you want per generation and click Generate. Repeat the same steps to animate the rest of your scenes. Once all the videos are generated, let's take a look at a few clips.
This place remembers more than it should. This place remembers.
They already look great with ambient sounds and well-synced audio. From here, upload all your generated clips into an editing software like CapCut and arrange them in the correct order. Add some cinematic background music to enhance the mood and trim it to match the video length. Make sure to reduce the music volume so it doesn't overpower the visuals. If you want, you can also add subtle effects and transitions to elevate the final result. Once everything looks good, export the final video in 4K resolution for sharper results.
This place remembers more than it should.
This is how you can use Cinema Studio to create Hollywood-level cinematic movies inside Higgsfield AI. Click the link in the description below and try it out yourself. If this video helped you, like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe to the channel. I can't wait to see your first movie.